How to fix TikTok effects not working. If the TikTok effects are not working, follow these steps. Go to your TikTok app and tap and hold on it. Click on the eye icon and scroll down. Select storage and click on clear cache at the bottom. Go back to your home page and go to Play Store. In Play Store, search for TikTok app. After searching for TikTok app, look for any updates that may be available. As you can see, update is available, so I'm just gonna update the app. Once the app is updated, restart your app. Now go back to your home page again. Open your TikTok app. In TikTok, try to re-log in. Log out and log in the same account. Doing this will refresh your account and the filter might work. Now click on the plus icon at the bottom. In TikTok, not all of the filters are available to everyone. Some filters are restricted and can be only accessed by some users, which means that the filter might not be available in some regions. If other filters are working completely fine and one filter is not showing up, that likely means that the filter is not available on your region. In this case, you cannot use the filter. So that's all for today. Thank you.